Good afternoon. I am Dr. Manisha Kulkarni, working in a leading business school in Pune. I came to Anandkunj for my treatment. The first day when I came, I had full swelling all over my body, and I also had vertigo, severe vertigo problem, and I was having severe body pain all over my body. But to my surprise, within 4 days, first 4 days itself, I got a miraculous result, and all my swelling had subsided, and also the pain all over my body had also gone. And actually, I had fasting for a period of 9 days, and that gave me a tremendous result. And due to which, when I came on the first day, my weight was 94.6, and today I'm so happy to say this, my weight is 85.1. This kind of weight loss management with proper care, guidance can happen only at Anandkunj. I'm really thankful to all the staff, coordinators, supporting staff, and also the executive director of Anandkunj, Dr. Nitin Patil. I wish all the best to Anandkunj, and I want everybody to please at least have experience of Anandkunj once in a lifetime. It's an amazing experience. Thank you so much.